So this is confirm breakthrough. Confirm breakthrough and confirm back to sender. Nobody can stop your star not to shine. Nobody can delay your destiny. So this is purple leaf, either male or female one. Anyone that you see, the one that is coming out newly, this one that is coming out newly, this small one that is coming out newly, you will get it. You now grind it. You can put it in mortar or grind a stone. Mix it with soap that you can bathe once. You can be doing it once in a year. You understand? Use it to bathe with warm water. You understand? The first day you bathe this, the first day you bathe it, you will surely share me a good testimony. By the grace of Almighty God, the leaf that is coming out newly from pawpaw, so use it.